Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2005 Mercedes-Benz C230 compressor, 1.5 supercharged. It won't start. And this is what we got going. Good battery. That's all you hear. So I'm gonna be swapping out this starter. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Got these 3 clips. Remove this filter. Battery is right up under it. You want to disconnect your battery terminal. Alright, we got it up in the air. Make sure you got your jack stand, safety first. Starter is located on the driver's side. Get up under here. And that's the starter. Got the E external bolt. There's 2 of them, top and bottom. Alright, I got an E12 on that bolt. Both of those free. So we're gonna remove the steering column right here. Remove that bolt. Get that out the way. That's a 13 mil on that bolt. Alright, once we got that bolt out, you just want to push up on that and get that out of there. And that falls out the way. Alright, so I got that out the way, and I noticed I'm gonna have to get these bolts while it's up right now. Get that connector out. So I put that bolt in there, just a few threads, so I can hold it. It won't go nowhere, and I can remove the bolt. Now this is what I used. Short ratchet. That was the best way. Alright, once we get that off, alright, so I had to take that whole shaft off. That right there, it's got a bolt holding it and a nut on the other side. So you gotta hold that one side and undo the other, because it will spin. Yeah, I'll do all that just to get that starter out of there. And this was just replaced not too long ago, and I'm gonna go ahead to the parts store and swap it out. It's brand new.